Check out this 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. This versatile 3-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.